I don't want you to lose a whole 2 generations of your family in one night. It happened to me. They didn't have a carbon monoxide detector. Don't let it happen to you.
After losing 5 family members to carbon monoxide poisoning, a Lake Charles native is making sure no one else falls victim to the deadly gas. That family died during the aftermath of Hurricane Laura back in September. They were sleeping while a generator was running. Their relative says a gust of wind blew the garage door shut, trapping the generator and its toxic fumes inside, killing the family. Now one of their relatives is raising awareness in hopes of saving lives. As Iman Boyd reports, it's all an effort to prevent another tragedy from happening again. It's our top story.
Her family members to carbon monoxide poisoning, she knew she had to do something in order to prevent another CO2 death from happening. Now she's bringing awareness to carbon monoxide detectors.
I was just crying, thinking about my aunt and my cousin and this loss for my father. He lost 2 siblings at once. I heard my aunt's voice say, "Don't go down there and grieve. Go down there and give."
A tragic loss now motivating Shaletta Brundage to help others. The Lake Charles native now lives in Minnesota, but that isn't stopping her from visiting her hometown. Along with hosting donation drives, she's doing her part to prevent another CO death from happening again. She's teamed up with First Alert to give away detectors for families who can't afford them.
Folks are hurting right now. They just don't have the money for extras. And right now, for some folks, carbon monoxide detectors, that's an extra. When they don't, that's where I come in. And so I'm just so glad that the people at First Alert trusted me enough with their product to send it to me to give it away to the people who need it most.
Nobody will see smoke. Nobody will see flames. You know what I mean? You will be in there dying.
She now has a PSA with the Minnesota State Fire Marshal's Office on the importance of carbon monoxide detectors.
I'm getting these carbon monoxide detectors into the hands of the people who need them and can't afford them, because I don't want anybody to go through what my family went through.
Brundage says that she will continue to bring awareness to carbon monoxide detectors. Iman Boyd, KATC TV3.